Hello everyone, I'm Sonam Sandhu from PTE Made Easy. And in this particular video, we are going to focus on PTE Repeat Sentence. I know many of you are focusing on this, but you are unable to get all the answers correct. If you watch this video until the end, you will understand which particular method you need to incorporate in order to get all the answers correct of this particular question type. You know, this particular question type carries 30 to 32 marks for PT speaking module and 19 to 20 marks for the listening part. So basically, it is an integrated task for which you are going to get somewhere around 50 marks in total. So 30 to 32 marks for speaking and 19 to 20 marks for listening module. PT repeat sentence is all about using a particular method, and that is LMS: listen, memorize, and speak. So, first of all, you need to listen to the sentence properly. Please do not divert your attention anywhere else. Focus just here. Okay. The second step is to memorize it. Now, for memorizing, it's not possible to memorize the full sentence and actually a few lengthy ones fully in the mind. So what can be done? Here you can simply use the method of half and half. Half and half is the method in which we memorize half in the mind and the remaining half on the booklet. So you get an erasable booklet. So you can write the remaining half on the booklet and remember the first half in the mind. So it's all about using the two halves rule. First half in the mind and remaining half on the erasable booklet. This method will help you a lot in getting all the answers correct. And I'll tell you one thing here, guys. Whenever you are writing the remaining half on the booklet, simply focus on writing the important keywords, not the random words like helping verbs, okay, or maybe the preposition or the articles. You can skip those and simply write the content words. Now, without wasting further time, I'll tell you how to incorporate this strategy in this particular question type. Apart from this, there is another video coming up in which I will give you a total of 33 practice questions. And for that, what exactly do you need to do? You simply need to watch the full video and WhatsApp us for the list. I'll definitely share the link of that video on the screen. And if you want that video, simply click. Now, let's listen to the first question here.
Mitosis is the only form of cellular reproduction.
Mitosis is the only form of cellular reproduction. Mitosis is the, in mind, only form of cellular reproduction on the booklet. Mitosis is the only form of cellular reproduction. Let's look at the answer. Mitosis is the only form of cellular reproduction. Let's look at the second one.
Both replication and transcription are fueled by the hydrolysis.
Both replication and the transcription are fueled by the hydrolysis. So both replication and transcription in the mind fueled by hydrolysis on the booklet. Only fueled by hydrolysis. Skip the prepositions, the random ones, articles and the helping verbs. This will help you a lot in answering every single repeat sentence correct. Both replication and transcription are fueled by the hydrolysis. Coming to the next question.
Stratovolcanoes have a steep profile and periodic eruptions.
Stratovolcanoes have a steep profile and a periodic eruption. So stratovolcanoes, okay, in the mind, steep profile and periodic eruption. That's on the paper. So simply we need to speak like this only. Stratovolcanoes have a steep profile and a periodic eruption. So do this, use the half and half method. Half and half method will help you guys a lot. The way I have explained you how to do this particular question type, please try the same just now. just after watching this video, try the same method at home and do let me know in the comment section if that method is helping you or not. Coming to another question and the last question for today.
The need is not a need, but a want that must be satisfied.
The need is not a need, but a want that must be satisfied. Can you see wahan pe the way she changed the echo, she changed the sound. So we need to focus on a particular word. We need to stress on a particular word the way she stressed. Guys, remember, I always say PTE AASAAN hai. Simply focus on the right strategy. So if you do like this, I'm pretty sure you are going to solve this particular question type accurately and you will get 50 out of 50 in this particular task, 30 out of 30 in speaking part and remaining 19 to 20 marks in the listening part. So simply focus on the same and simply complete this particular task in a manner like such. LMS method, listen, memorize and speak, and half method, memorize half in the mind and remaining half on the booklet. Do like this, and if you face any problem, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you in the next video of mine. Bye bye until then.